factory. I am Pinky. Now, let's open the bakery. We have our first customer. Hello customer. Good morning. Hello, good morning. I would like to buy a bread. Sure. Let's take your basket and choose your own bread. Which bread should I choose? I would like some Japanese bread. It should be here. 1 and 2. And also some Parisian bread. Or French bread. And also some cookies. Woohoo! This is great. I love it. And can I also get some cake? I don't know which cake. Can you recommend it to me? Sure. Let me recommend it to you. I think you will like this cake. It's strawberry pineapple cake. Alright, I like it too. Okay, now let's pay. How much do you think this is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's $5. Thank you. Then I will come again. Sure. Do you need blue cake? Oh, of course we have blue. Do you want blueberry cake? We have varieties. This is the first option. It has blueberry jam on top of chocolate cake. Sure, I like it. It's gonna be awesome. I'm also going to give you free strawberry cake. It's because you just choose a bigger cake, then I'll give you a free one. Oh, thank you very much. Now, what do you want to have next? It's okay. I'm okay with this too. Alright, now let's go to pay. 1, 2. So, it's $3. Thank you. Also now, I will repeat again. This shop like this suitable for a shy person like me. Of course. Then come again. Thank you. Yo, what's up, what's up? Hello. I want to buy some milk. Do you have milk here? Of course, here. What flavor do you want? I want chocolate. Sure, we have chocolate here. How many? Just one, please. So we have 1 jar of chocolate milk. And what else do you want? Maybe some cookies to eat with the chocolate milk. Yes, of course. We have this one. And what else do you want to add? Maybe some plain bread. Yeah, I just want to eat some plain bread. Ready for my workout before morning. Yeah, sure. We have this one. And this one too. Now, what else do you want? Nah, that's all. I'm ready for checkout. Alright. Now, let's count. How many do you pick? 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's $4, mister. Yeah, thank you. Oh, hey, do you have extra basket that I can use? Well, you have to kind of pay for it. Did you have extra basket too? Nah, it's alright. Now I'm good with this. Bye. Bye. Hello. Yeah, so I'm here to buy a bread, but I don't know what type of bread that I want. Can you kindly explain it to me? Oh, sure. So we have French bread, we have strawberry bread, and we have strawberry milk, chocolate milk, Japanese bread, and we have also a variety of cake, biscuits, and lots of other things as well. But you can just tell me what flavor do you want? I kinda just want to eat one, so yeah, I kinda go with this one. Oh, that's a very good choice. It's Italian bread. It's a very good choice. Now, what else do you want? I'll probably get... Oh, the cake behind you. This one? Of course you can get this one. It is the famous cake. The other customer just bought the same one. Oh, really? Yeah, I'm ready for checkout. Alright. Let's count. So the cake is going to be expensive, okay? Yeah, sure. 1 and 2. So it's gonna be $5. Yeah. Alright, thank you. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Oops. Hello. Now, I don't know what I want to do, but just give me your leftovers. I'm sorry, sir, but we don't have any leftovers. What? You don't pity someone like me? What if I don't have any money? Well, maybe there's a tiny bit. Okay, so let me get you... okay, this one. And also, let me get you some baguette. I think you like baguette very much. I also like baguette, so it's 2 enough. 2? You want me to eat 2? No, I want another one. Can I get this one? That one? Oh, that's expensive. No, I want to get that one. Oh, fine. You will get this one. But I'm not giving it for you for free. You have to pay for me. Pay? But I don't have any money. Haha. You have to work for me. Work? Well, I guess it is. Thank you. Oh no! Don't take the basket! Oh, he's idiot. Anyway, thank you. Now it's your turn to come to my bakery. Bye!